When we do resistance training to gain muscular strength and endurance, proper movements are important to optimize fitness gains. The better we understand our muscles and how they work, we'll be more confident and efficient when we work out, and will make more measurable progress towards our goals. Bend your elbow like you're curling a dumbbell. When your muscle shortens against resistance, this is called a concentric contraction. This is also called a positive action. When a joint angle shortens, it's called flexion. So really, when you say flex your bicep, we really mean do a concentric contraction to flex your elbow. Anyway, when we lift weights, we tend to focus on the positive action because we're overcoming gravity, and this is where we see and feel our muscles work. However, this is only half the muscle movement. The other half of the muscle movement is called the eccentric contraction, or the negative movement. This is where the muscle lengthens against resistance. The joint angle lengthens or extends. The eccentric action is often overlooked by novice resistance trainers because this action works with gravity, and we often let gravity take over instead of engaging the muscle to resist gravity as the muscle lengthens. Studies show that the eccentric movement actually stimulates more muscle growth than the concentric action. When lifting weights, the movement should be controlled and equal in duration. If you use a 4 count, it should be the concentric action, 1, 2, then the eccentric action, 3, 4. Or you may conduct a rapid positive action and a slow negative action. So again, using a 4 count, it might be the concentric action, 1, and then the eccentric action, 2, 3, 4. The isometric contraction is resistance with no change in muscle length. So as the picture shows, you just hold a weight in a fixed position. This has strength and endurance gaining capabilities, but the gains are specifically only to that narrow range in which the resistance is held. Therefore, it is more practical and functional to utilize the full range of motion. Here's only one research article related to the eccentric action and resistance training. Read this research article abstract and summarize the findings for the lecture activity. I'll post this actual article in D2L.